Oh, this is a completely separate betting ticket writers for the racing, for horse racing. I thought South Point was the only one that did that, but actually this is totally separate.
He said when he did have an energy boost again and just wants to keep going with it. You're seeing that kind of desire and part of the decision making here. Who gets that obviously who lost to fight this year? Collier Day takes pride in being entertaining, exciting. This fight has been that.
There is no Wingstop on the Las Vegas Strip. Wingstop evidently has a deal with stations, because I can't think of any stations casino that they are not in. Pretty sure they're in every one of them. And Wingstop is delicious. They should sponsor me. Classic wing, a chicken sandwich combo is $8.99. That's pretty good. That's way better than everybody else. Now their wings are about the same price as everybody else. An 8-piece combo is $15. That's actually a little better than the Strip. And I'm pretty sure they're better, they taste better. Their wings are fantastic. And then Panda, this is a good Panda. $9.10 for one entree and a side. 2 entrees and a side, $10.90. And look at it, it's just delicious. Ooh, look at this pepper business over here. That might burn a hole right in you. This is the star attraction right here. Orange chicken. And that teriyaki, that grilled teriyaki chicken melt in your mouth. Oh God, it's delicious. That's another company that should sponsor me.